Hello everyone, hi, welcome back to my vlogs. I haven't vlogged in like a good few days. Sorry, Vlogmas did not end the way I wanted it to. I wanted to go up until Christmas, but it just didn't happen. I wasn't prepared. I should have like pre-recorded things or something. I just couldn't do it. It bothered me so much to not finish it, but I literally did not have time to even pick up my camera. I was like, I procrastinated, and this year was like difficult anyway for the holidays, as you guys I'm sure felt. But anyway, so I just thought I'd mention that. Sorry about Vlogmas, but we're back on vlogs once a week or whatever. And then I'm gonna do like some fun videos. I have a few like planned today. I'm on my way right now though to my mom's and to Jamie's to do the podcast. So we have to record that, and that's what we're doing. It's 9:30. I've been up since like 7, which is a little bit early for me because Felix was, I don't even know what his problem is anymore. Well, I mean, actually, he's been like really good at night. It's just like last night was a weird night, and he just was not good. He like, I don't even know. He just like, we got home late from Jared's parents. We went and visited them yesterday, and then after that he just like, we fed him late, and then so he didn't go to the bathroom until after that, and you know how that is. So anyway, so was my night, but I did want to share with you when I get home like some of my favorite presents that I got, so maybe I'll end up doing that. But I just now pulled into my mom's house, and we'll see. But I just wanted to start the vlog really quick. I did get this jacket from Target. Isn't it cute? It's like a green like patent leather, the other day, just because I wanted like a short jacket. It like goes up to here. I'll show you my outfit in a few, but let's see, should I bring that in? Yeah, I guess I just should bring everything in. Let's see. There is happiness after me. Just something ain't right. Hi, Frank. Oh my god, I was gonna call you Frankie. Hi, Ben. Oh, you're such a good boy. Look at that tail wag. Yes, you're so good. He's all tucked in. He said it's cold in here. The furnace broke. The furnace broke. Oh. Well, you guys, this is what we're dealing with for cleanup duty. You know they are not gonna help. But I just filmed a video, and it was my like what I got for Christmas video, which I'm kind of nervous about because I don't know, I just never want to. I did film it and I'm excited about it, so I just love watching those videos. That's what I've been watching lately while I've been on my like downtime. These are like, I have to show you guys these jeans that I got. They're so cute. They're from Urban Outfitters, and they fit me. They're a size 33 from Urban Outfitters, and they fit me. They're BDG Urban Outfitters boot cut, and they're just so cute. I don't know if I really want to wash them yet though, but I do need to wash other things, so I'm going to do that. Oh, fuck, it's in that car. Oh, okay, it's cold. Hi, guys. Oh my god. Wow, yep, I'm really going out like this. Hold on, I need to put my car in neutral and then 4-wheel drive. Come on. 4-wheel. Okay, I'm there. So, hi. How are you? I vlogged yesterday a little bit, but here, I'll just sit here for a second. Yeah, I do look like this. I'm going to the store. I'm going to the pet store, as always, getting cat food, and then, oh, I need dry food and wet food. I need to remember that. Dude, I look so bad. I literally look like, I don't even know. My hair is clean though, at least. Okay, let me fix this. Okay. Problem solved. Anyway, so I'm going to the pet store now. I need to go to the... But anyway, I want to go to Starbucks first because I just need like something to pick me up. It's 12:39 and I've just, since Christmas, I don't know what it has been. I have like lost all motivation for everything. I just want to like chill and read. First off, I was addicted to that book for the first like 3 days. That's also my problem with reading, is that I get addicted and I can't like do anything else. And then next off, I need to clean the whole house. Jared and I decided, okay, we're gonna do it today. We've just both been like, he got back into work like a couple days ago and I have been like trickling back into work. And Liz, I want to clean every square foot of this house today. And so I need some energy to do so because that's just going to make me feel accomplished. It'll make me feel like good. I like cleaning. It's like a stress relief for me. So hopefully I can do that. I'm not stressed though. That's like the thing. I'm not like feeling stressed or anything. It's just like I need to get some motivation back. But my windshield is fixed, you guys. As you can see, oh wait, there was a big crack around that, but we got a whole new windshield yesterday. That was something we did. That was productive. We love that. I'm gonna focus though now because I'm driving just on our street, and it's snowed last night, so it's a little bit goopy out, and so I'm just gonna focus. But all right, now I'm heading into the dollar store actually really quickly because I actually want to get stuff to do my 2021 vision board. So I'm getting Jared and I a poster board each and some like fun little tape kind of things that we want to do, that kind of thing. So I'm very mad I got the wrong kind of cat food. It's the no wheat, grain, or soy or whatever one, and that is not the right one, but I'm gonna have to go back tomorrow because I just don't want to go back again today. They have enough, I think, to last till tomorrow. If they don't, obviously I'll come back, but I'd rather not go in and talk to the same person and feels more stupid than I already do. It's because I was rushing. I was just like, yep, that looks like it, and then went. But anyway, let's head in to the dollar store now, and see what they have for us. Guys, I came in here for other things, but now I'm looking at the cleaning section and they have so many things. You probably can hear me over the fridges in back there, but like, look at all of these. You know, I mentioned I want to clean my house, so. Okay, well, I'm back in the car. Figured I'll show you before I get home. That way when I get home, I can focus. But I got quite a few things. I was really excited about the cleaning stuff that they had. So I got $22 worth of things, which means 22 items, or 21, however the tax works. But let's see. First, I got our 2 poster boards for our vision boards, and then I got, what is this thing? This little like foam mop. This is to clean our bathtub because, you know, I took a bubble bath the other day. I had the worst, like, gas pain, basically, and so I took a bubble bath that day. It was, like, way too bubbly, and so the bubbles then dissipated, because usually I'll rinse out the bathtub after. I didn't this time, and so now they're all, like, stuck and gross at the bottom of my bathtub. I don't know if that's TMI also, but, like, I don't know how to get it off, so I got some cleaning stuff to do. That, because it's really hard to reach in our bathtub, so I got that to try to do that, and then I got reusable wipes. I got little mini hats for the animals. And then for us, big sequin hats like this. Just for New Year's, because it's probably just going to be us. But I got 5 just in case my brother and sisters end up coming over. Doubt they will. But anyway, and then I got this avocado tool. Slicing avocado. Leaving. Anyway, and then I got a glue stick. This cute little, oh, I got this slicer. This is cool. They have a lot of cooking things too, like baking and cooking utensils that are really nice. They're like the Betty Crocker brand. This one is like a chopper thing. I got this to make cinnamons with, or cinnamon buns, because instead of using a knife, I just thought that would be nice. I got tape, and then I got this. It's so cute. I don't know what I'm going to use it for, but I just thought it was cute. Maybe maple syrup. And I got another bathroom toilet scrubber, because for one of our bathrooms that no one ever uses, but I figured there should be a scrubber in there at least. And then these scoring sponges, these scrubbing sponges, and then Man, a lot of people are going into the gym right now. That's kind of crazy. And then a little scrub brush things. Some Lime Away. Some of this for on our carpet, Pet Fresh. They don't like use the bathroom on the carpet, but I figured it might be nice just to like refresh the scent and everything. And then Lime Away for our toilets. And then this is the only thing that really helps if you use this in your if you have well water, or if you live on well water, or just like highly ironed water or something like that leaves those red iron rusty stains. This is a really good cleaner for it. This is technically a toilet bowl cleaner, but I use it on everything, the shower, the bath, everything, because it just is like, there's a certain ingredient, I think it's the hydrochloric acid. That's the ingredient you want in your like something to take the stains off. I saw it on somewhere, I don't remember, and I used it. It has been a lifesaver. So thought I'd share that with you before I get home so I can focus when I get home, like I said. But let's see here if I can get out of here. I'm glad to have the dollar store so close to me though. It's like literally right in town. So I love it. Is the avocado good? I don't know. Let's try it. Hi! What's up? Okay. So, I'm going to set you over here because I'm going to cook now. So, I got new pans. If you watched my, what is it called? What I got for Christmas. I think I showed you guys these. I got these new pans Jared got me. And I'm going to make some eggs now because I'm hungry. And I need to work. I need to film a video. And it's New Year's Eve. Happy New Year's Eve. I don't think this one's going up. I think this video is going up, like, in a few days. But whatever. Let me see. What am I doing? Okay, so yeah, this is like a really non-stick pan. I'm going to get some eggs, and I'm going to make some scrambled eggs. I actually have milk this time. Usually I don't have like regular milk, so I'm going to add that in my scrambled eggs. Not that I even notice a difference whenever I do that, but I'll try it. This avocado is going to be bad. Yeah, it's bad. Dang it. I've been on a sriracha kick lately, so I have a lot of sriracha on here, and I just added feta crumbles, so that's my breakfast. And then, you know what I keep thinking about, you guys? Sorry, it's messy in the background. But I used to watch this show, like I've watched it probably like 4 times. My sister and I are obsessed with it. Oh, crap. Oh my god. I totally just got it all over that. But, it's called Scam, or Skam. It's like a Norwegian, show, and it like, Norwegian show, and we watch it with subtitles and everything. And it's like one of our top favorite shows, and we were just talking about how we want to watch it again. And I'm like, but I know for sure, I think it's like 4 or 5 seasons. I know for sure once I start watching it, I won't be able to stop. So I need to like figure that out because it's like I'm craving it. Do you ever crave like a TV show that you like? And that's what I'm doing with that. When I talk about it, no one knows what I'm talking about. So let me know if you've heard of that. They have it in different languages and stuff in different countries. Like they have Scam France. They have a Scam I don't know. I always say scam because that's how they say it in like their accents, but scam in the United States one, but like I don't really like that one. So also craving to watch Call Me by Your Name. So that's one that's an easy like few hour watch. Not easy because I'm gonna cry through it, but like it'll take less time to watch. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, I'm going to eat this. I need to stop talking, but I figured I wanted to ask. I was thinking about that. I was like, I wonder if anyone has watched that. So let me know. But would you look at that? The sun came out. I'm changing into these jeans. I showed you guys the other day, I think. Yesterday, the other day. They're from Urban Outfitters. Hey, can you get down? Thank you. You're not allowed to do that, remember? Felix, down, but oh gosh, you just want to stretch? But these jeans are from Urban Outfitters, if you can see them. And they're size 33, and they're like my new favorite jeans. I want to go buy all of the shades of them. They are the Boot Cut by BDG. I need to get my jacket, one second. I think I'm gonna wear this one. Yeah, I'll wear this one. We're going to walk the dog, and I need an Instagram picture, so that's why I even care about my outfit. Normally I wouldn't, and I also need my hat. I need to put these earrings on. I don't even think I need earrings on. I'm not even gonna put these on. But anyway, and we're going to get Starbucks also. So yes, I also got, you guys, I got like this thing to hold my iPad for cooking. Let me share. See. So if you can see here, it's like this. Jared's parents got me it, and now I can like hold my iPad while I cook and have like the recipes there. I'm so excited. I gotta turn off my iPad though, so that it doesn't waste battery, but that's like perfect. I've been wanting one for so long. It was such a great idea. And then, yeah, so thought I'd share with you my outfit really quickly. And then we gotta get Felix ready. Come on, bud. Come in here with me. You wanna get your leash and stuff on? He doesn't really like it. Come on, Fee. Come here. He knows, so he's not following me. Come here, buddy. Come on. Good boy. Hey. Put your harness on. Oops. Put it on. Come here. Come here. Last time the Jeep was not usable, so he had to go in Jared's car, which is smaller, and he did not like it as much. Let me loosen this a little bit for you. We're gonna go on a walk. Wanna go? All right. Warm, it's cozy, it's cute. I'm gonna bring some mittens too. Are comfy? All right, Fee, come on. Whoa, good job. All right, we're home. Ooh, my hair's so messy. I'm trying to fill up. I feel like it's a water bowl, but I have to stand here while I do it so that I don't overflow the sink, because every time, or overflow the counter because of our faucet thing. But I'm so tired. That walk during me went on like a long walk. Can you believe that? I told the story in my other video, but I was trying to weigh Felix and holding him, and he's like 80 pounds, and a squirmy 7-month-old dog. So I was holding him up, trying to weigh him on like our scale, and then he like was freaking out, and I didn't want to drop him, and then he sliced with his nail. So that's nice. Hi, Koosh. Hi, Cash. You want to say hello? Make a grand appearance. Say hello. Look how big he looks, you guys. Yeah. Hi. Hello. It's done. And that's about it. What you doing, Frankfurt? Hello, say hello. He says hello. All the animals say hello. They hope you're doing well. And on that note, I'm going to leave this off and start the next vlog. So I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you're not already. And we'll talk next time. Bye.